Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're trying some Bounce Curl products. I've tried all these products before, but we're doing kind of like a cocktail situation, switching it up. You already know I had to show you a little sneak peek. I love it. I absolutely love it. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alrighty, so this is what I'm starting with, baby. We are fresh out the shower. Of course, the face is beat though. You already know that. But so today we're doing another kind of curly cocktail, but I'm doing it with one brand only. I'm using Bounce Curl. So I have their light hold cream gel right here, and I have their hairspray, the alcohol-free hairspray, which I do love. It's really hard to find a alcohol that is good for curly hair. A lot of them are really drying, especially with all those alcohols. So this is alcohol-free. These both retail for $17.99, I believe. I think they're both originally $24, but every time I go on there, like, there's that sale. So every time I check out my cart, it's $17.99. And then this right here, I believe, is $23.99. I will have everything linked down below. And this is the avocado and rose oil clump and define cream. Now, I have not mixed these products yet. I've seen it done, so it can be done. So we're gonna try today. So first things first, unleash the beast. This is what I'm working with. I just deep conditioned my hair, and it actually feels amazing. I still haven't tried. I've tried Bounce Curl stylers, and I have videos on all these products on my channel already, but I have not tried their their treatments and their shampoo and conditioners. I really would love to try that hair detox one and their deep conditioner. So that's definitely on my list this year. I really want to try it. And their leave-in conditioner, it just came back in stock. I've been waiting for that for a very long time, so I'm very excited to try that. Okay, so you know I like to part my hair. I do have my wrapper roots so my shirt doesn't get dirty, and my clips, and I'm using my water bottle in a second, and that is all from my Amazon store, which will be linked down below. So for products, I'm gonna use this cream first. I'm gonna use the gel just to kind of top it off, and then I'm gonna finish off with the hairspray for some volume. So now this bad boy right here is very thick. For my hair texture, I can't do products that are way too thick. Now this is thick, but you emulsify it with your hands and you'll be fine. But a little goes a long way, which is good because products gonna last you longer. So the smell is it's giving me kind of like shea butter, like cocoa butter. That's a scent, just a scent. I don't think they have any of that in here. Not that I'm saying, but I literally just scanned the ingredients. So for texture, it's like a lotion in consistency, and I'm literally just gonna go lightly on this. A little goes a long way, and I'm telling you this from experience. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side while I'm here. Emulsify in my hands, warm it up. I really want to get those ends, especially with my ends being blonde. But you want to make sure you're getting your ends, period, because they old, okay? That's the oldest part of your hair. They've been struggling and scraggling all day. At least mine have been. I haven't done my hair in a week. Okay. So now that this is in, it smells good, slip is amazing. Granted, my hair is already pretty much detangled because my deep conditioner is really good. I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite products of all time, the Bounce Curl Light Hold Cream Gel. I love this product. Granted, I haven't used it since my hair's been growing. But when I had a little fro, I used it. You can't really see it, but it is very much a gel in texture. I've been getting a lot of questions lately about is this gel worth it? Should you guys order it? I personally love it. I don't use it a lot. I use it if I know I need to go somewhere my hair needs to look good. This is what I'm using. Granted, I have 2 bottles of these. And I keep my stuff stocked, okay, baby? I ain't running out. I ain't running out no time soon. And then I'm gonna scrunch. So I'm going to continue this process to the top of my head, and then I'll show you guys what I'm using when it's time to use the hairspray. I just fully applied the product to my hair. As you can see, the Demon brush is back and got my curls popping. Now, this is the wrong product. For the hairspray, this I'm gonna use as a volumizer. I can also use this if I'm like doing a slick back bun and I really want to slick, I don't want no hairs to move. After you apply your gel and everything, after you're finished doing your bun, just spray this all over. It's not moving, it's not going nowhere. So today we're using it for volume. So you just push this thing and then it gets to spraying. I haven't used it in a while, so I didn't want to start it. So I'm gonna get up. I have on sweatpants, ignore that. So I can actually show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm gonna flip my head over like this. I'm gonna spray don't do too much. Don't do as much as I do. Especially if you don't like too much hold. Because it is a very strong, sorry, it's a very strong hairspray. So if you don't want to have a very strong hold, then I would not use as much. Maybe you do like 2 to 3 sprays. I think it's great if you're really looking for some volume. I think it's amazing. But be careful with it because it is a strong hold, which I really like because that's what hairspray is for. So I'm going to come back. My hair is dry. Not so fast, I almost forgot to show you guys I will be wet plopping my hair, so I'm going to show you guys that before I air dry. I'm going to air dry to about 50% and then I'm going to diffuse until it's 100% dry. It's a little complicated, but it honestly works best for me, and volume will help you get that extra volume. What? And diffusing will help you get that extra volume. So I'll be right back when it's dry. Do you see my hair? Do you see my hair though? It is moisturized to a T. Like, there's no frizz in sight. There's no frizz. Nope, I don't see not one piece of frizz. It has volume, it has shine. This is everything I want in a wash and go. I've used both separately and got amazing results and I absolutely love them. But them together, it's something, like it do something to me. Like, wow. And it's like it's not like, you know how you can usually feel like the moisture sometimes. My hands don't feel like producty. There's definitely a flexible hold, and I think that has a lot to do with the hairspray. I did not tell you exactly how much you get. So I have the 8 fluid ounces for the light cream gel, and I believe, I don't know where my hairspray went, but I believe that's 8.5 ounces. If not, I'll correct myself on the screen here. And then for the avocado and rose oil, this is 6 fluid ounces. So it is a little bit on the pricier side. This honestly depends on your pockets, girl. But for me personally, I love it. I think it's worth the price, especially if you use it in moderation. And you just have to make sure that you're not using too much product. But baby, this is amazing. I love it. This is definitely one of my favorite products right now. And I've been saying that a lot lately, but like, I don't know what's going on. Maybe my hair is just flourishing, but I have been loving some products. But so overall, for the cream, I'm gonna go over each product. I love this. This can go as a standalone if you would like. I've had absolutely amazing results with this by itself. Love it. It is very, very moisturizing. So if you struggle with dry hair or even frizz, this is your girl, okay? Next, this thing right here, you can't even see it. My Light Hold Gel, love it, love it, love it. It is not, it's not a strong hold. So if you don't like a strong hold gel, I would classify this as like a medium. This can definitely go by itself. It lasts me a week by itself. I absolutely love it, and it's still moisturizing. But if you prefer gel, or just use them together. And the hairspray, I love it. Especially, I feel like a lot of curly girls don't use the hairspray, but I do think that's one thing that makes Bounce Curl stand out, is because they have a hairspray. I can't think of one curly brand right now that has a hairspray. not one that I would use without the sulfate, silicones, parabens, and all those drying alcohols. So I absolutely love it. I love my results. I have to get off this camera because I will sit here and talk about my hair all day. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. But thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and see you guys next time. Toodles.